Hello there, this is Grace from Yilong, a manufacturer of hyperbaric oxygen chambers in China. In this video, you will have the opportunity to observe our state-of-the-art manufacturing workshop. We offer two types of hard hyperbaric oxygen chambers, the C-type and the line type, each available in various sizes. With our advanced technology, the maximum pressure for the hard chamber can reach 288, and it is adjustable to accommodate lower pressure. We also provide portable hyperbaric oxygen chambers, which come in three types: seated, reclining, and wheelchair accessible. The maximum pressure for the portable chambers is up to 1.5 atm. If you are interested, please let me know, and I will be happy to provide you with more details in a follow-up email.